Today we are going to see how to make to-do list app using index.html and JavaScript. Here I given the CSS link style sheet and I given the class name as app, class greetings, and here the user can enter his name. I given WhatsApp and the ID name, placeholder name. Here the user can give his name, and I added this Montserrat style from Google Fonts. Let me show you. Yes, in Google Fonts you can search for Montserrat style and you can add these styles here. Yes. And you can copy this link, and as I did, yes. This is the link, and here you can see I created a h3 tag. I've created to-do list here. And what's on your to-do list? I given a content ID, and I given it radio buttons for the pick a category. We have two categories, business and personal, and given a submit button, add to do. And here the list to do list will appear, and at the bottom I give a JavaScript tag. Let me see the CSS styling of this project. Here I given margin 0, padding 0, and font family Mozzarella and sans serif, border box sizing. Here you can see the sections and h3 h4 tags. I given the create to do input type text display block. We can see this, and here I given the bubble for the tick buttons, bubble after, and create to do option label div, and submit button, and to do list items. This is the content and action buttons. And we will see the JavaScript here. We had it add event listener to do JSON parse local storage get items, and here we given add listener for submit. And here the username change e.target.value. Here e submit e prevent or default. To do push to do local storage set items JSON stringified to dos, and display to dos. Here the to do list query selector. We have label input span and div buttons, checkbox and bubble, add bubble. Here personal or business, span class list. For it is a, if it is a personal or otherwise it is a business. To do for action contents, edit and delete. We have three edit and delete buttons in content to do added, and edit and delete buttons. Event listener for click, and JSON stringify to do. Display to do. Here t not equal to do, it is a delete, but stay delete for click event for add event listener for delete, and this is for edit. Now we will see how it is in the after completion, and you yes it is working. And here you can give the name, and let's make a what we will do, add a meeting at 12 p.m. Yes, it is a business, and you can add to do. Yes, it is working, and you can tick it, or you can edit or delete, and you can add again. Okay, okay, video, and it's partial. Now add it. Yes, it is working. Yes.